Ka sarkar jela kan ai sanlak tingka, syakalong ying ki arngu cipara ki basya peniap, hala ujung ukpa ka belaja, haka lai potrik jeliu ara jarar puar, haka senong nongra. Ya kane lai tu da kakong amparin nang do, kabade ka chairperson, jongka Committee on Empowerment of Women, jongka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, habakren cakinong tok kubor haka ar potrik jeliu ara jarar puar. Kakong amparin nang do kalai tu bakane kakam menta kadenge syakmat batkarman skam baki bahaying kinyo no kam kloi kenang bakin la ban penan kam hakabede bakajing kun apo yung bisyar baru banyo yaki muktiar kiban la ban yakun nakamenta kahok jong kitiki hybrid
to the tune of 5 lakhs to the family of the deceased. They are processing it. We hope that this will happen quickly, and we hope that this will help as an assistance to the family to fight this case in the court and to get the best of lawyers so that justice is not denied.